In a collaborative effort, 5 agencies have been designated distinct responsibilities to rescue 41 laborers trapped for about 2 weeks in Uttarkashi tunnel. After a landslide, the incident occurred in the 2-kilometer segment of the under-construction Silkayara tunnel in Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand. Let's delve into the coordinated efforts of these agencies as they work tirelessly to evacuate the stranded individuals from this challenging situation. Rescuers seek guidance from Arnold Dix, the president of the International Tunnelling and Underground Space Association based in Australia. As a renowned expert in the field, Dix is among the specialists providing valuable insights to aid in the ongoing rescue efforts. Renowned expert Professor Arnold Dix specializes in underground and transportation infrastructure, covering construction risk and operational safety. After inspecting the Silkayara tunnel site, he engaged with rescue agencies, expressing confidence in finding an optimal situation and solution for the trapped workers. Despite a temporary halt due to platform cracks, Dix reaffirmed the commitment to rescuing all 41 workers before Christmas. Dix said, and I quote, "We are hoping to see the workers this time yesterday, then we are hoping to see them this morning, and then this afternoon. But it looks like the mountain had different slides and ideas. We have had to pause the auger machine operation, and some repairs are being done to the machine. We are probably going to enter the next phase where we consider other options." Arnold Dix's illustrious career is adorned with numerous accolades, a testament to his profound impact on tunnel safety globally. In 2011, he earned the prestigious Ellen Neyland Australasian Tunnelling Society Award for Excellence in Tunnel Fire Safety. Not just an expert in engineering, Dix, also a barrister, is affirmed with the British Institute of Investigators and serves as a visiting professor for engineering tunnels at Tokyo City University. Beyond his role as a barrister, Dix is available for engagement as an investigator, expert witness, consultant, and mediator. His groundbreaking efforts in advancing tunnel fire safety were acknowledged in 2022 when he received a Community Service Award from the National Fire Protection Association of the United States of America. Thursday, November 23rd night brought a temporary halt to the drilling operations at Uttarkashi Silkayara tunnel, aiming to rescue 41 trapped workers due to a technical glitch with the auger machine. According to news agency ANI, rescuers have made progress, successfully drilling up to 46.8 meters in the tunnel. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is actively overseeing the rescue operations overnight, with efforts entering their final phase. While officials advise against assuming specific timelines, there's cautious optimism that if all goes well and no unforeseen obstacle arises, the workers could be safely evacuated soon.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.